Stark's father. There's a girl.
You're alive. You came back. It's been so long. What happened to life? My only regret is that you didn't get to live yours.